guys, welcome to our vocabulary for cooking techniques, Unit 5. Bake, to make food such as bread or cakes inside an oven using dry heat. Barbecuing, to cook food such as beef or fish on a barbecue grill or over an open fire. When you barbecue, you are cooking with a slow circumvent unit of hot air with the lid closed. Boiling, to cook food by placing it into boiling water. Fry and deep fry. Fry is to cook food in a pan using oil or fat. Deep fry means to cook food by placing it under the surface of hot oil. Grilling, to cook meat, fish, or vegetables on a flat metal frame over a coal fire. Grilling is done with the lid up and you are cooking with direct heat on the bottom instead of all around the source. Microwaving, to cook or heat something in a microwave oven. Poaching, to cook something gently in a small amount of boiling liquid such as water, milk, wine, etc. Roasting, to cook food such as meat or vegetables with dry heat in an uncovered pan and in an oven or over an open fire. Sautéing, to cook food quickly in an open pan using a little oil or fat. Steaming, to cook or heat food in steam. That's all for today. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.